Welcome to the Pure Nature Care, everyone. In this video, I'll discuss several straightforward home remedies you can use to stop hair loss and encourage hair growth. Let's begin by using the first treatment, onion juice. Sulfur, which is present in onion juice, is thought to prevent hair thinning and breakage. Thus, thick hair will grow as a result of this. Onion juice's antioxidant content might be able to stop hair from going gray too soon. As a result, a good massage with onion juice can promote blood circulation, hence promoting hair growth even more. Its antimicrobial qualities could aid in preventing infections on your scalp. So how to make onion juice at home? Take 1 or 2 onions and peel them, cut them into pieces and then blend them. Now filter the juice using a muslin cloth. This will ensure that no onion chunks are left. Give your scalp a good massage with onion juice in circular motions, and then let it sit for an hour or so. Now you can rinse it off with a mild shampoo. You can use this method once a week to see effective results. Next is pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil contains a plant sterol called phytosterol. This promotes hair growth. Supposedly, phytosterols could block enzymes and hormones in your scalp that cause hair loss. So how can we use this pumpkin seed oil? We can use them in one of the following 3 ways. First is pumpkin seed oil supplements. Supplements are available in form of gel-based capsules. So 1 or 2 capsules following meals can be taken. But consult your doctor for proper dosage. You may also take 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed oil directly. The third method is topical oil application. To prepare the pumpkin seed oil, blend some seeds, maybe half a cup until they are smooth. To this powder, you can also add a tablespoon of rosemary powder. The rosemary helps stimulate blood circulation to scalp. To this powdered mixture, you can add any oil of your choice. Maybe you can add coconut oil. Now mix it thoroughly, and then boil the mixture using a double boiler till the oil from the seeds separates out. Once the oil separates out, strain it using a muslin cloth and let it cool. Once it is cool, you can store it in a container, and then you can use it to directly apply on your scalp, or you may do a warm oil massage once a week. Next is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and therefore it can do wonders for your hair. It works perfectly well to reduce itchiness, dryness, and eliminates all kinds of impurities from your scalp. So how to use it? First of all, you need 2 green tea bags and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Boil the water with green tea bags and keep it aside to cool down. Once cool, add olive oil and mix well and apply this liquid to your scalp. Massage this liquid into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes and then wrap a hot towel around your hair for next 15 minutes. After that, you can wash off this mixture with normal water. Next is aloe vera. The vitamins and minerals present in aloe vera help to detoxify the scalp, thereby helping you remove impurities. Besides, it repairs the scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth. In fact, aloe vera nourishes your scalp and softens the texture of your hair. So how to use aloe vera? First of all, you need 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Now mix aloe vera and tea tree oil together and apply this mixture all over your scalp and massage for 4 to 5 minutes. Now leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and after that you can wash it off. Next is lemon juice. It is the most effective home remedy for a greasy and oily scalp. The acidic nature of lemon helps to remove excess oil or sebum from your hair and also works as a great solution for dandruff. It also kills bacteria. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a handful of mint leaves, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Grind some mint leaves and mix them with lemon and yogurt. Apply this mixture on your scalp and hair and let the mixture sit for 15 minutes. Also, you can massage your scalp with this mixture. After that, you can wash it off. Next is egg mask. Eggs are rich in sulfur, phosphorus, selenium, iodine, zinc, and protein, and they together help promote hair growth. To prepare the mask, separate 1 egg white in a bowl and add a teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. Now beat this mix to make a paste and apply this paste on your scalp and hair from root to tips. After 20 minutes, you can rinse it with a mild shampoo. Next is licorice root. This herb prevents hair loss and damage to the hair. It helps soothe the scalp and get rid of any dry flakes or dandruff. You can make a paste by adding a tablespoon of ground licorice root and a quarter teaspoon saffron to 1 cup of milk. Apply this to your scalp and hair length and leave it overnight. The next morning, wash your hair. You may repeat this procedure twice a week. Next is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek or methi seed is one of the most effective home remedies to stop hair loss. It repairs the hair follicles and helps in regrowth of the hair. Soak some fenugreek seeds overnight in water. The next morning, grind them to a fine paste and apply to your hair and scalp. Leave the paste on for about 30 minutes. You can cover your scalp using a shower cap to keep it moist. After 30 to 40 minutes, you can rinse it with normal water. You can do this twice a week for a month to control hair fall. Next is amla or Indian gooseberry. This is another effective home remedy to stop hair fall. One of the causes of hair fall is the deficiency of vitamin C. Hence, consuming amla will strengthen the hair follicles and help you control hair fall. It can also be used topically. Amla helps promote faster growth of hair and maintains a healthy scalp and prevents premature graying. So to make a topical paste, mix some lime juice and amla powder to make a paste. Massage it to your scalp and hair. You can use a shower cap to cover your head so that the paste doesn't dry out. You can keep it for an hour and then rinse it off with normal water. Next is apple cider vinegar. Dryness of hair and scalp is a sign of increased alkalinity, and this mild acid can help balance it out. Thus, apple cider vinegar may help relieving itching and flaking of the scalp while stimulating the hair follicles for improved hair growth. So to use apple cider vinegar, dilute 1 part of raw apple cider vinegar into 3 parts of water. You may add some honey and coconut oil to the solution and mix all the ingredients. Now pour this mixture into a clean spray bottle and then spritz it all over your hair and scalp. Cover your head with a shower cap and let your hair and scalp soak in the solution for 1 to 2 hours. After that, wash your hair with normal water and a mild shampoo. You may use this remedy twice a week. Please note, do not apply apple cider vinegar for longer periods or in undiluted forms, as this may damage your hair and scalp. Coconut milk follows next. Coconut's protein and necessary fats encourage hair growth and stop hair loss. Grate a medium-sized coconut and boil it in a skillet for 5 minutes to prepare the milk. Then strain it and let it cool. Then to the milk, add 1 tablespoon each of fenugreek seeds and black pepper that has been crushed. Apply this concoction to your hair and scalp. You can use shampoo to wash it off after 20 minutes. I guess that's it for now. By clicking the like button, you can share it with your loved ones. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about simple natural cures. I sincerely hope you may use this video. I appreciate your time. Take care and be healthy.